With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a simple microscope have a focal length 5 cm. Magnification at least distance of distinct vision is. So if I write down the lens formula, that is 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. Right? So if I write down here 1 by U, it will be 1 by V minus 1 by F. So I will write down F minus V by this VF. So if you see here, if you multiply this with V, you will get the magnification. So I will write down the magnification of the lens. It is, I am multiplying this equation with V. So it is V by U and it is equals to this. So if I say here the least distance of distinct vision, it is equals to 25 centimeter. So when the image will form 25 centimeter in front of the lens, right, in opposite direction of the light travel, so we will put a negative sign here. Then the magnification we can calculate, just put the value here, and focal length is already given, it is 5. So I will write down 5 plus 25 by 5. So it is 30 by 5, that is 6. And this is the answer. Now if you see here, D is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.